Good day, welcome once again. Thank you for tuning in to watch my videos. So, this is just like an update documentary on the last one I dropped. So, tomorrow is 15th, and that's when our class is starting. Our class is starting tomorrow, 15th, and I'm so excited for it because I've always wanted to learn from someone that actually knows what he's doing in trading. So, in my last video, someone dropped something in the comment section and was like, everything that I'm going to learn in the class that I already know them, that is just my psychology. But that person is totally wrong. It's very wrong. And with that kind of mindset, I don't think you will go because you always feel like you know things, so thereby you will not humble yourself to learn from others, which is actually very wrong. So if I actually knew what Techriztm knew, why would I still be struggling in the market? You think it's just psychology? It's not just psychology. If you know what you're doing in the market, I promise you see that side of being confident, that side that you'll be able to break it if you know what you're doing. It's just like you know how to play football, you know you have practiced very well. When you come on the pitch, even if yes, there will be a little bit of, let me say, you shake, let me say, a little bit of fear in you, but overall you'll be very confident because why? You already know in your head that okay, I know what I'm going to do, I know what I want to do. So that's how it is in trading. Most people feel like it's just a psychological problem, but most times it's a technical analysis problem. They themselves know that they don't know what they're looking out for in the market. When they come inside, when they come to the chart, they're just confused. They don't know what to do. So most times they blame psychology for the problem. While most times what they need is a mentor. They need to actually learn properly. They need someone to teach them properly. You know, when you learn properly and you back test, you'll be able to build confidence. So what I'm saying is that that person that made that statement, you're wrong. And with that kind of mindset, you will not be open and humble enough to learn from people, which is wrong. You need to be someone who is willing to learn from people who are doing better than yourself. So, like I was saying, that aside, so what I was just saying is that I've just been like going through online, and I've been seeing that most people are really trying to lock in and all those things then. So it's like an exciting something to see that a lot of persons really want to change their story, and they're also working towards it also. That's very exciting. I'm really happy. So it's motivating me also to do better, to do better. So if you're not locking in, if you're not trying to get better, I don't know what you're still waiting for. You also need to be pushing yourself. You need to try to be better, to try to do to you need to try to be better. So that's like I was saying, this is a documentary, so it's not like my past videos. This is just like a documentary. I'm just from stage to stage, just documenting my journey on YouTube here. So this is it now. This is it for this time. This is it for this video. I just wanted to say that classes are starting tomorrow, and I want to take this thing very serious. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't really know what I want to be posting. I'm confused on what to be posting, but I know that along the journey I'll actually know what I want to post. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.